Hey guys, so guys, I have a good news. I got a call from the workshop and they told me that my car has been repaired and it's ready for the collection. So this is my friend's car and I am taking it over there for the collection. So let's go. So guys, it seems that this car is low on fuel, so we'll go to the petrol station first and then we'll head over to the workshop. We have fueled up, reset to 0, seat belts, let's go. So guys, we have reached Arya service station. Hopefully we will get our car today. Alright, so guys, any moment my car will come from here and I'll get the delivery. Alright, so guys, as you can see that I received the delivery of my car. I checked it properly without the camera. I will show you guys all the changes that are in the car once I reach home. At present I'm really late for namaz, so let's go. Alright, so guys, I've reached my home and I'll end my vlog over here for now. Tomorrow morning maybe I'll go and get a car wash and I'll show you how it's done in here in Abu Dhabi. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.